Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is, it's time to spring into action. You have been putting in a lot of work. You set down the blueprint, the pink print, the timeline so you can meet your deadlines. Now it's time to meet those deadlines. It's time to spring into action. Put some of those words into action. Some bite behind that bark. Walk behind that talk. And create every single day. Let's make sure we spring into action. Make sure that our dreams, our thoughts, our intuitions come to light, because you're going to change the world. And I need you. The entire world needs you. My divine action incites love and harmony. I'm aware of my thoughts and driven by positive forces. I listen to my heart. My desire manifests light, transform test into growth. Therefore, I become stronger, wiser, stronger, smarter. And therefore, I have a bigger territory that I can help transform. I have more blessings that's coming my way that I can maintain. Blessings come with their own weight. Continue to grow, pass the test and grow. Therefore, more blessings can rain in. That mansion, those acres of land, your community. And it'll feel like a feather. Light is a feather. Rain sleeters know, not a ball and chain. Therefore, life is about living, service, and not surviving. You turn challenge into opportunity and fear into love. That's amazing how you can turn fear, which is one of the scariest things that and weakest energies out here that manipulate people into not being their better selves. But you manipulate that fear by standing up to it, looking in the eye, and guarantee it runs away. And you just continue to walk with love, not hate. Love is the only weapon that no one can be a formidable opponent against. They'll end up loving you back, supporting you, and making sure you win. They're like, I don't know why I want to help you. You just keep on showing me love. Therefore, for some reason, I can't hurt you, and I'm going to help you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.